Hello everyone, today we are going to make stir-fry pork with pickled cabbage head. First, let's cut the pork belly. Cut the pork belly into small and thin slices. Cut like these thin slices. Then let's cut the onion. Cut onion in half, then cut into small sections. Use your hand, break into pieces. Then cut the red pepper. Cut in half, then cut in small sections. The purpose is make sure the food ingredients you're cooking, they are the same sizes. Cut the pickled cabbage head into thin slices. This pickled cabbage is bought from the grocery store. This pickled cabbage head is very salty, so we need to soak into the water 3 times to remove the saltiness. Let's make the sauce. 1 spoon of light soy sauce, 1 spoon of dark vinegar, 1 spoon of chicken powder, half spoon of salt. Stir it very well. Add half cup of water. Stir it, let all the ingredients melt into the water. Then add a half spoon of oyster sauce. Stir it well. We prepared the sauce in advance, so when we cook, we will not be rushed. Add 3 spoons of this salt into the pork. Marinate the pork for 10 minutes. Here are our ingredients: pork, onion, pepper, pickled cabbage sauce. Heat the pan, add oil, add the onion. Stir fry the onion for 2 minutes. Like this, still crispy. Add the pork. Stir fry the pork for 2 minutes. Add all the ingredients and the sauce. Mix it evenly. Boil for about 2 minutes. It's ready to be served. I share cooking recipes every day seriously. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. I wish you happy every day. Wealthy, healthy, happy.